Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make easy green bean recipe with coconut cream. For that I need some green beans, 3 onions, 4 to 5 green chili, poppy seeds, curry leaf, salt to taste, coconut cream I'm using, and coconut oil. For this recipe I'm going to cook in coconut oil. For that I have chopped my green beans, I have chopped my onion, green chili, and it's ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat my pan and I'm going to put first thing first poppy seed and curry leaf, and then in that when the poppy seed is popping I'm going to add up my onion and green chili. Of course I have used my coconut oil to give that earthy smell. Yeah, so it's and to make it and to keep it really healthy. So you can see I'm going to mix it really well, and once my onion is getting really soft and nice, I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to add up my salt to it so that it gets cooked really quick. When you add a salt to onion, it will make your onion really soft in no time, and it's really quick tip if you want to make a lot of onion soft in no time basis. Now my onion is soft, I'm going to add up my green beans. It's chopped really well, you can see, and I'm going to mix it up. Now if you want, you can also add up your red peppers if you wish. You can also add instead of coconut cream, you can add up your fresh grated coconut, but I prefer coconut cream. It's really handy and it's really quick. So my green beans are almost ready. I'm going to now leave it for 5 minutes on itself, but I will mix it up gradually so I don't want the onion to get burned. So now I'm going to add up my coconut cream. I'm using the organic coconut cream. You can use any coconut cream if you wish, or grated fresh coconut. I'm using coconut cream because it gives really nice texture to my green beans. And I'm going to leave it to get cooked in that coconut cream for 5 to 10 minutes. I want that coconut cream to get really blended well with my onion and my chilies. And look at that, oh my goodness me, it smells heaven, it's delicious and I love it. Now look at that. Now when I did my plating, this is how it looked like. Now you can either eat with chapati or with bread or just with the brown bread, and it will be fantastic way of consuming your calories. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.